Hello, Professor Yunus. Hello, Sheikh Ahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Marjida. I am a Rohingya refugee girl. I live in a camp in Bangladesh. I was born here, but this is not my home. My home is in Arkan, which is in Myanmar. I never saw Arkan because I cannot go there. You know why? Because my mother told me when they lived in Arkan, they were attacked by very bad people. They had to run. They stopped running when they came in Bangladesh. My mother told me this story many times. It is a sad story. I don't understand all of it. Maybe you will.
Ara garo tara silam. Asin mode moka ayere military ayere Mario ara dora di felaye. Kialla andila go jian ara hoyo na fari. Ara ide bisi jor time magara jor dile ara ta falan jaga buta kita dinar ba wanda tu gumja hole tal falan bisa dikunne ta biada sata ara dun host gori ne bisi host gori na ara Bangladesh na hota si awada kissa hega jikissa hana kari Bangladesh ha hota ire Bangladesh jara na jahana dina dina ara nyotta kira ara Bangladesh karo tu jaki ju sai jogo jalla rahmat tar shukriya zindagi to farane hajin Eri besi mani mara hai aar panda bahu guli hail bama mugi era era mara gi jaga maza era ara sista gori na fari atu dua pa bacha mara gi nija shari mara gi to disha atu deshta ki tamai ekane somboti bi ja sami ro firista gori हमारा सरकार दे दुआ डाल दुआ सोली ले ए हत्ता मास दिले एगो कुरा बार हमर कुरा निले आरे हत्ता है गारी पहले मास मो आरा तो 65 दिन आरा तो न गाने दे हाउ तिया नारा आइ हस्ट तिया तर हजार हता मानसे हस्ट आरे पातो बात 2 जन बरा 3 जन बरा दे है आरा देश जो तो आरा तो हस्ट बा न तो क्या निजे तो आल देबे ना सिल निजे तो गरु चला सिल निजे तो गुदा सिल निजर इनकम आसी निजर जागा जन्म तुम इनकम गुरा है गतम आरा देश नहीं आरा देश अल्लाह रमजा आरा देश बोली ना बना ओने ए देश तो ना तो हंडी के फेर न करे ओन देश अल्लाह तारा होन तो जाय बल्ला राजी আছে কি आरा तो সম্পত্তি আছে आरा तो जागा জমিন আছে গুদা গাদা আছে আর বিড়া বাড়ি আছে
I told you it is a sad story in our camp. Everybody has a sad story. Each time my mother tells me her story, she says, one day we all will go home in our camp. We will live again in our beautiful green village, below which the river runs. We will again hear the birds singing and watch butterflies flying. I've lived here. That is why I want to go home in Arkan. But mother says it is not easy to go back. We need a lot of help. Professor Yunus and Sheikh Ahim, will you and your friends around the world help me and my family to go back home in Arkan?